What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So excited you're here to join me today. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. I am just a guy on the internet, and this is my opinion. So just remember that this is not financial advice, so don't sue me. We're going to talk about the stock market and how it's killing us right now. Guys, if you're anything like me, you don't even want to open Robinhood because every time you do, you just see a sea of red. It's just red everywhere. And when the stock market's red, the sell sign is on. And when the sell sign's on, guys, you have to do what I do. You don't want to spend all your money all at once. You want to trickle it in a little bit. Just trickle it in. Now, guys, traditionally speaking, the week leading up to the election is the most volatile week of the year. Here's what I just read. Bank of America is estimating a 20% drop in the stock market leading up to the end of the year. So, guys, this is a little concerning. But I do want you to remember that things like this have happened in the past. They will happen again in the future, and it's just part of the game. The most important thing to do right now is not to panic sell. Do not panic sell. There is actually no place to hide at all right now. Stocks are being affected. Cryptocurrency is being affected. Precious metals are being affected. I mean, everything is being affected at this point in time. There's really no place to hide. You guys just have to weather the storm and have a strategy moving forward. And I'm going to share my strategy with you, just so you know what I'm going to do. So guys, the advantage of trickling in means that as the stock market starts to recover, I will actually recover quicker than somebody who lost everything all at once, right? So if you were to just take $100 and drop it right away on a stock, and then if that stock took a massive dive, 10%, 12%, 15%, like it just goes down, you have nothing left to play with. You can't buy the stock at a lower level. You can't spend less money to get the stock that you want. You just stuck with the shares you have because you bought them at a high level. But if you do this strategy, it will actually work out in your favor. Instead of spending your $100 on that first day of the dip, spend a little bit, spend $20. And when the stock dips a little more, you spend another $20 and you actually get more bang for your buck because the stock's lower and you're spending the same amount of money. And then so on and so forth until you hit the bottom of the barrel. And then at that point, the stock will rebound, right? But when the stock rebounds, you have more shares than if you would have just spent everything up front. And that's the strategy that you want to use. You always want to cost average in. Cost averaging in cannot be beat. It's the number one strategy. And honestly, I think it's the only thing we can really do right now is cost average in as the stock market dips. There's nothing that we're going to be able to do to turn the stock market around because news drives the stock market, right? The election drives it. The lockdowns and the pandemic are causing uncertainty. With all the uncertainty, there's nothing that you can do but play the stock market the best way you can. And this is the best way that you can play the stock market, guys, hands down. So that's the video, guys. Don't panic. Don't be the panic seller because that's just going to hurt you. You're going to get less returns over time. Stick with it. Stay the course. Do what Warren Buffett does. Buy stocks you believe in and hold for the long term because that is the way to win. That is how you make money and that is how you become wealthy. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Thanks for joining me. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that notification bell down there and tell your friends. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.